Hi, my name is Katelynn Carpenter. I attend an online charter school called Ohio Virtual Academy from kindergarten to 12th grade. Attending OHVA helped bridge a learning gap in math because the online courses helped me learn at my own pace. As an elementary student, I had academic struggles learning math concepts related to multiplication and division. The online classes allowed me to repeat lessons that I was not understanding until I mastered the concepts. It took me longer at first, but then math started making sense to me. By the time I was in 8th grade, I was ahead in my classwork and started taking high school classes online in algebra, English, and physical science. Once again, the online school allowed me to progress at my own pace, so I started to excel in my classes. OHVA taught me self-discipline, independence, and self-motivation. The online school taught me many practical life lessons, such as how to manage my time wisely, how to work hard even with simple tasks, how to be creative, how to study for exams, how to work in groups and independently, and how to engage during classes and with other people. I learned how to set a time schedule and stick to it to get work in on time. This discipline allowed me to engage in many activities at my local recreation center while other kids were still in school. I discovered my love for art and graphic design through taking art classes at my local recreation center and digital art classes at OHVA. OHVA also prepared me for college. As a high school senior, I took 6 classes at Columbus State Community College to the College Credit Plus program. In my classes, I noticed that other students were having difficulties understanding simple math concepts that I learned early on in OHVA. OHVA prepared me so well that I scored 100% on the departmental cumulative final exam for college algebra, the highest score by any student in my professor's 26 years of teaching. Online classes transformed me into an excellent lifelong learner. At OHVA, technology was used to bring lessons to life. Compared to traditional classrooms that use books with static pictures, the online lessons were much more interesting. Most online lessons had interactive animations and videos to explain the content. And if I didn't understand something, I could rewind the animation or video again. Seeing a concept in action helped me remember the concept more easily. The impact of this technology and innovation in the classroom meant that I could learn in the most effective way for me. It almost felt like many of the classes were tailored to my specific learning style because of the variety of technologies that were used. In most traditional classrooms, teachers spend a large portion of their time handling classroom management issues. For some students who are not causing problems, this time feels wasted. In my online charter school, the high school teachers met with the entire class online. The teacher could focus on teaching us and spend less time dealing with classroom management. The teachers seemed to enjoy teaching more, and as a student, learning was more fun. The teachers had online games and activities during class times that also made learning more enjoyable. Since we students also had to complete a lot of work independently, the role of the teachers were a lot like learning coaches, helping us overcome our individual hurdles as we encountered them. In my online charter school, all of my classes included students from across the state of Ohio. Unlike a traditional classroom, we didn't have to be in the same geographical location to be in the same class together. I was able to meet and hear the experiences of other students who didn't live near me. These digital classes gave me exposure to more students in ways that I would have not experienced in a traditional classroom. The digital courses in science and math were particularly interesting because of the interactive nature of the lessons. In science, we did many of the experiments virtually in an online lab. We could measure mass, distance, temperature, and time, and participate in our labs with much less setup and cleanup time. We could also repeat any lab experiment easily in the virtual lab whenever we wanted. This helped me in classes like physical science, chemistry, and physics. At Ohio Virtual Academy, I was able to take digital design classes as part of my curriculum. I really enjoyed these classes and was able to learn programs like Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. These classes helped confirm that I wanted to learn more about graphic design. I decided to pursue a career in graphic design. I also hope to use my artistic talents to advocate for families and children in need. I will attend Columbus State Community College for 2 years to earn an Associates of Applied Science degree in graphic design. Then I plan to transfer to Columbus College of Art and Design and graduate 2 years later with a Bachelor's of Fine Arts in Advertising and Graphic Design.